Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl for the most of fantasy, and today we're bringing it all the way back. When I mean back, I mean all the way back to the 90s. So this is a 90s inspired look. I kind of incorporated part of the hair in it. I did the full makeup. The outfit I did not show, but I tried my best to mimic like something of the 90s. So yeah, think of the 90s, you think of Aaliyah, you think of Foxy Brown, you think of Halle Berry, you think of Megan Good back in the day. Listen, ooh, child, those girls, they could have select. Oh, you know what? I made this look even better if I had those bamboo earrings. You remember the bamboo earrings back in the day? Those big old bamboo earrings. I think they would have went well with the look, and I incorporated a flip, even though these are flop right now. But yeah, yeah. So I think I went. I think I did a pretty good job with doing that. With doing the '90s look, I kind of like it. I wish this was a little bit longer. I would have worn it out, but I like it. I like it so much. Let me know if you guys ever recreate it or ever like it or whatever. Um, I don't know, but yeah. Back in the day, that I wanted to put like a. I think I'm gonna do it. Maybe you see it in the thumbnail. I might do it. The piercing right here. I'm gonna do a fake one though. But yeah. So I hope you guys enjoy my video, and yeah, stay tuned.
I've been making moves like a ninja. I could play it cool like I'm winter. I can make it rain like a catch tsunami. You wanna slip and slide, we can.
So let's start off with the brows. So, back in the day they had thin brows. So this is what I'll be doing. I'll be drawing my brows as thin as possible. I didn't want to get my brows glued down, and I did not want to cut them off. So I'm using just a regular black kohl pencil for this. And I just outlined it, and I'm just lightly filling it in. I'm taking a foundation that is like one shade lighter than me, and I am just carving out the bottom of my brow, not doing the top, and I'm just blending everything downwards. All right, so we're gonna just move right on into the face before everything else. So I'm using my Lancome moisturizer, and I'll be applying this all over my face and my neck. Yes, you need to moisturize your neck, thank me later. Okay, so yeah, next I'm going to be using primer, and this is a no pore primer from Shop Miss A, and I'm just placing this primer in my T-zone area just to reduce the oil and fill in the pores that I have. Now I'm going in with my Revlon Color Stay foundation, and I am just putting foundation all over my face. And I'm using a brush to do this. I'm just patting, and whatever that's left on the brush, I'm applying it to my forehead because I never wanted too much on my forehead. Now we need a snack break. All right, so this is the only banana chips I eat. Chippies, I don't like no other banana chips. I love plantain chips. So now I'm taking my concealer. I believe this concealer is pure beige from LA Girl, and I put that in areas that I wanted to bring forward. I don't think they did no highlighting and contour back in those days, but I feel like doing it, so I'm doing it. All right, so I'm just using a damp sponge, and I left the under eye area for last because I never wanted it to spread out too much, and I wanted it to dry down and stay in place. So that's the reason for doing that. And I'm also taking whatever that's on the sponge to my eyelids so that I don't have to go in and prime it later. All right, I'm just using that as my base. So taking some Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I'm gonna be setting all my highlighter portions. So under my eye, my nose bridge, please to make sure to get in the crevice. So right the side of the nose right there, yeah, right in those crevices, because we don't want no separation. Okay, so I'm just putting this on my forehead and also my chin. All right, so I'm taking my Fit Me in 320 and I'm setting the rest of my face, and also I'm gonna be contouring my nose. As I said, I don't think they did this back in the day, but your girl go do it. So I'm gonna be bronzing my face with the Zurich Cosmetics Flawless Press Powder in Amber Rose. Yeah, and I am just giving my face some color. It was too, yeah, lamp, so I'm just giving it some color. That's all I'm doing right here. And I'm also using a tad bit of my pressed powder, face powder, to contour my nose. Don't need much, because guess what? Still want to stench nose. Okay, here. I'm just blending out my eyes, you know, no creasing. Bringing some translucent powder on my brow bone because I wanted that to be highlighted. Going in with another pressed powder by Zurich Cosmetics, but this shade is nut. Yeah, I said it, nut. I'm just placing it all over my eyelid and also bringing it up to my crease transition area, and I'm just going to be blending it out. Okay, so I'm just using one product. That's it, just one. So now I'm taking my gel liner and I'm going to be placing this right on top of my lash line. When I mean on top, I mean right on top. Okay, right on top of my lash line. You know, I just felt like doing this, and I'm also going to be smudging it out using my Saharan palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm taking that black right there. Yo, this black is black. Okay, it's more black. And I'm just taking this and I'm just smudging it out. I'm not really creating a wing, but it ended up creating like a little wing. Yeah. So I'm just doing this. I just feel like smudging it out. Back in the day, I saw some, like, they did something like that. So I just felt like doing it. So yeah, I did it. I'm also going to line my waterline with the same gel liner. And then I'm going to be going underneath it with the same nut that I did on my lid. All right, so I'm just smudging it. I'm just putting it on my lash line and bringing it upwards. So I applied some small lashes. When I mean small, I mean small lashes. And then I'm just using a little bit of my mascara. All right, and you know, we gotta get that mole. Of course we're gonna do it. Okay, we can't forget her. No, yeah. So now it's for the hair portion. So I just say, you know what, this look ain't gonna go without the hair. So I just decided to do a side part with a little flip, but my flip turned to a flop by the end of the video. So you know how it goes. So I'm just creating that. I created the side part. Right here, I was trying to think of if I wanted to let the hair loose, or I wanted to slick it back behind my ear. I ended up slicking it back, of course. You know, that's how I used to do my hair back in the day. You know what I mean? When I went to high school and y'all's here. So I'm just taking my hot comb just to further, you know, define my part a little bit, because, you know, you like seeing a clean part. So that's basically what I'm doing right here. And then I'm going to slit that back. Then I'm going to get my flat iron. Yes, my flat iron. And I'm going to be doing my flips. Okay. For the video, I just did 2 flips right on each side, because guess what? Girl gotta go get her kids. So this is what I did right here. Did a flip. Yep. Held it there. And look at that. Look at that flip. Oh my goodness. You know, flip back in those days, y'all. So I just added some jewelry, and I didn't have the necessarily jewelry that I needed, but these did the job. All right, so now I'm using the black pencil. You remember back in those days, y'all, girls, back in those days, those black pencil to line your lip. For shizness. So right here, overline my lip. I'm not one to overline my lip, but for this video, I overlined my lip, and then I went in the middle with some red gloss. Cause yeah, and that's a finished look.
세상 이게 만들어버린 너 예전에 너 장도 안 하고
Thank you guys for staying tuned to the end. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Follow me on my social, which is TikTok, Instagram, Threads, Facebook, Snapchat, and of course my YouTube channel. And yeah, until next time, bye please.